Yeah, hi guys. I mentioned, right, the session will be start 11:35, right? So people are joining. Okay. So still people are joining. So we will be commence the session at 11:35. Is that fine? Yeah. So only wait for 1 minute. Okay. Hi guys. Good morning all. So guys, am I audible? Great. So guys, your today's session is based on data structures and control structures. All right. So anyone can tell me, let's say, what you have discussed in the last session? Data types. Okay, and what about the list tuple and set dictionary? Some people are saying data structure also. Yep. Just hang on. Just hang on. Hands on data structures. Three. Yep. Guys, any confusion, any query, whatever we have discussed from the very first session? Guys, you can talk to me, right? That will really helpful if you will interact with me. Okay. So guys, again, any confusion, any query, or which is coming in your mind, it could be anything, right? Great. The home task was tough. Then try again. But is done or not? Done? Yeah. Oh, no, so a couple of folk, done that particular, task in only 1 and 2 hours. Once the session has been done, I got lot of, emails. Yes. So guys, data structure is very essential part of Python programming and looping concept also. Okay. So from today and tomorrow session, yes, Ashura, we gave some assignment. You remember? Was the class done? I was not able to problem. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, but this is your initial stage. Okay. But no, look at this. You remember July C45? Can I open this? No, I think this is not. Let me open once again. This one. Data types, right? We have discussed a lot of things. Swap keys. You remember, guys? This was the assignment. Home task. Masking our email. Okay. So from the username, you have to extract first character and last characters. Okay. So please read this. Got it? No. Not in gap. If you are getting some assignment from the upgrade platform, that is completely different. Yes, I'll share once again by the end of the session, right? Okay. If you are getting, guys, assignment on upgrade learning platform, that is a completely different. Both. In case, let's say, first of all, the priority one is upgrade one. Okay, but based on the session, I am giving you some problems, whatever we had discussed, right? Not as a graded. Why you are focusing? Let's say if you that assignment will be graded, then only you will be focus on them. Yes, in case you want to grade it, then of course you have to complete upgrade platform. Okay, but again, right, I am sharing only those questions with you which is recently asked by the interviewer during the interview. Okay. No. I'm not aware, let's say, how you can find the assignment on upgrade. Then you can contact to the upgrade support staff. They will help you on it, right? But yes, if I am giving you the assignment, please try to complete. Okay. That is completely brainstorming question. Once you able to done, it means that entire topic you can easily cover. Okay. Okay, I'll share by the end of the session. Is it clear? Guys, any confusion from anyone? Okay. Yeah. So guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss about Python data structures. There are four types of data structures. Okay. Or you can say this is also the part of data type, right? So as I mentioned yesterday, your data type session approximately 9 hours. So 3 hours we have already completed. So Python data structures. So first of all, we have list data structure, guys. We have tuple data structure, and we have set data structures, and we have dictionary data structures. Okay, these four data structures we have in Python programming. Data structure is very essential part of any programming, not only for Python programming, for every programming. Okay, so in case, let's say, if you are going to process the data, if you are going to transform your data, if you are getting some insight from your data, if you are doing some kind of automation, some kind of analytics, it could be anything. Okay, so those particular information or that particular information you have to process with the help of data structures. So guys, you can say that data structure is the heart of Python programming. Okay, and you will see the real power. This data structure can store entire data, millions and trillions of data. You can easily store in these data structures, Excel file, SQL database tables data. You can store easily in these data structures. Okay. Yeah, Preetham, don't worry if you join, some other trainer. Okay, don't worry. Once the session will be end, I will share whatever we have discussed in the last session. Okay, and including the assignment as well, right? And then you can, try to complete. In case if you are facing some issue during any session or during the practice, you can reach out to me. Does it make sense? Okay, but at the end of the session I will share each and everything whatever I have. Okay guys, so guys, first of all we will be discuss about the list data structures. Okay, first of all we will be discuss about the list data structure. So guys, again, if you are going to learn any kind of data structures, some rules and guidelines you have to keep in your mind. Some rules and guidelines you have to keep in your mind, guys. So guys, the very first rule is list is a sequential data structure. Whatever I am writing here, I will be proof also. It means data will be stored sequentially. Okay, this is the first rule. Second rule is each item in the list, okay, has an assigned by the index value. Okay, so we can say that list is a indexable data structure. Why I am saying indexable data structure? Because Python support those data structures also. Those data structure will not support index mechanism, guys. Okay, so but list data structure will support the index mechanism. How you can identify you are using list? List is often enclosed by a long bracket. It means list data structure is represented by the guys long bracket. Okay? Each item in the list data structure separated by the comma. Each element will be separated by the comma. And guys, very important part is list is a mutable data structure. What do you mean by mutable? Which means list data structure can be changed or editable. Yes, you are right. Okay. So guys, these are the basic rules. Please keep in mind. And guys, again, it's a humble request that I mentioned in the last session as well. If you are going to join any of the session from any of the trainer, okay, what you can do, please watch the upgrade recording session. Okay, upgrade platform recording session, please try to watch. That will literally will help you a lot when you join the live session or bootcamp session. Yes, not unchanged. Unchanged means immutable, but we are saying list is a mutable data structure. It means in case you want to add or in case you want to delete an element from the list data structure, then you can easily do. It means this is the mutable data structures. Make sense, guys? Okay. This is the basic rule you have to keep in your mind. And guys, in the very first session, I wrote a method by which we can see all the functions and method of that particular data type. So the same method I am writing again, but do not understand this particular line of a statement, right? Just for your reference, because you are not aware about the control structures and looping concept. That's why I'm saying no need to understand. So guys, let's say list methods. What kind of list methods I have, guys? So guys, these are the list methods we have in the data structure. As I said, no need to understand this particular line. Please focus on this selection only. In this data structure, we have append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, and sort. Automatically, all the method by default will be sorted in ascending order. Okay. So guys, these are the methods of the data structure. Okay. And these method will only applicable for these data structures. Yes, you can say that method, you can say that function. It is your call. It is your wish. Make sense? Look at this now. A and C, then E, then I, right? And pop, then R and S. Okay, guys. So your data structure, your function is append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, and pop, remove, reverse, and sort. Is it clear, guys? These are the function. Okay. First of all, we will be discuss how we can create a list. So guys, as I said, list is represented by the long bracket. Can you check what is the type of this variable? Sorted is all, no. Case up. Sorted is a function of Python programming. Okay. Sorted is a by default function, just like a type function. Look at this. Sorted. Okay. So the sorted function is not the part of list data structure. Okay. Sorted function is not the part of list data structure. Is it clear? Got it. Now let me run this line of a statement. So guys, look at this. This is the list data structures. In case you want to create a list, you can create the list with the help of list constructor. It means list can be often closed by the long bracket, or it can be created by long bracket as well as with the help of list function. Okay. So how we can do that? Look at this. Once you check what is the type, so you will realize and you will see this is the list data structure. LST1. As of now, guys, I have created a empty list. Correct? Yes, there is no item within your list. Okay, guys? And guys, note. In the list data structure, you can store any kind of information. That information could be anything. Look at this. List with numbers. LST equal to. So guys, if you are thinking, if I am proceeding fast, please ask the question. If you are not asking the question, okay, and at the end you are saying, or maybe in poll section, if you are saying that session was fast, literally that will not helpful for you. Okay, because after 3 hours, after joining of 3 hours, you are saying your session is fast. But what will be the benefit when I will be read those comment from your poll section? Okay, so if you are thinking this, maybe let's say I am proceeding fast, you can interrupt me anytime. Okay, my goal and your goal is to understand each and everything in greater details. That's it. So guys, this is the list of numbers. Simple, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the list with numbers. Now guys, list with alphabets. So LST equal to, again, A, B, C, in single quote and double quote. If you are writing anything, everything is same. I mentioned in the very first session, if you are going to represent your string either in single quote and double quote, both refers to as string data type is listed by the diff. sorted. I mean, I'm not understanding. Is list by default sort? No, 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 no. Look at this. -10, 5, 11, and 1. Got it? Okay, whatever is your original form. Okay, guys? Now, guys, what is this? This is the list with alphabet. Look at this. Your list is with alphabet. Now, your list, guys, list with mixed data type. I'm not going to create a separate list for the floater. So LST here. Make sense? So in this list, I have stored, guys, 3 kind of information, or let's say 4 type. True. Integers, float, strings, and boolean value. Yes, I have run this. Look at this. Monica, can you just run as last? Yes. LST, right? So guys, I'm getting this one. No, Monica, see what I'm doing here. I am going to create a same list, okay, with different of data type. Every time your existing list will be override by this list. Make sense? For an example, let's say m equal to 100. Now the value of m is 100. M equal to 200. Now the value will be override of your existing m. Now what is the new value? Your new value is this one. Okay. This is on D print. If you will print, look at this now. If you will print this, I have print this list. What is your question? Can you explain in in depth if possible for you? Yeah. Can you can raise your hand, okay? Then we can talk each other and then we can discuss if you want. Yeah, please raise once again. Yep.
Sir, what I'm saying is we run LST as well as we run print inside LST, right?
Okay, got it. I got it.
And do they
Yes, I
work
got it.
same way?
Yeah. See, in case you are using LST or in case you are using the print statement, okay?
Yes.
I mentioned in the very first session, again, I am going to tell you, if you are using the Jupyter notebook, no, there is no difference in between the output. If you are using the Jupyter notebook is one of the IDLE by which you can see the output without print statement. Or if you are writing the print statement also, this is completely your choice. But yes, if you are using LST, then you will get out 20. But if you are using the print statement, you will not get any count of out or input.
Okay.
For an example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, and C equal to 30. C equal to 30. Look at this. A and B and C. As of now, I have 3 statements. So guys, by default, latest element output you will get by default. This is the nature of the Jupyter notebook. What is the latest statement? C. And what will be the value? 30. Look at this. In case you want all of the value, then what you can do? A and B and C, and simple guys again, print, and we can display this one. Okay. But yes, in case, let's say, if you are using this C, that is also perfectly fine, because as I mentioned, first 2 statement answer you will get with the help of print statement, and for the latest statement, no need to use the print statement. Look at this. You clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, uh, who was asking? Manas. See what I am doing here. Let's say. So guys, in case you want to write multiple line of statement in one go, what you can do? Create the space. Let's say you want to create three times. So one, two, three, right? You can create any line of numbers. So what you can do? For an example, let's say I am going to click here. You can hold your control. Okay, you can hold your control, guys. I have pressed my control, right? Then I'm going to click on third line. Then I'm going to click on fifth line. So look at this. Right now my cursor is blinking three places in the same cell. Three places means on three lines. What you can do? Print. For an example, right? Look at this. Okay, guys. So simple. Yeah, Aditya. Okay, just let me. Your cursor is blinking on the very first cell. You can hold your control and you can click only, let's say, on any of the line. It's completely your choice. Or maybe you can click on here as well. Now, no, it will work only in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, okay, guys. Again, back to the normal. So we were discussing about the list data set. Okay, guys. So this is your list data set. Now, which thing I have to repeat? So guys, nested list. LST equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Inside this list, another list. Okay, I'll do. Guys, this is what? So I be saying, Abhishek, you are not printing my name multiple times. That's why I am asking. So guys, look at this. Okay, just hang on. So, Soeb, what you can do, you can hold your cursor here, right? You can press the control and you can click where you want to print the statement or where you want to write something. So simple print Soeb. That's it. Okay. You have to hold your cursor and using the mouse, you can do that. Okay. Yes, Amit, go ahead.
Yeah. So can you share your screen and go a little bit up?
Mhm.
Cell number around, yeah, a little bit more. Okay. Now LST you have in the mentioned ABC on the column number 10. And now if I change the column in column 14, change the entire list. So now if I want to print in column 10, will it come, the LST will come with the new data or it will print the old 10th
No, no,
cell?
no, 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 no. Again, yeah. Okay. So, yeah,
So
I
the
understand.
LST getting updated, but it will not work on the previous cell. It will work on the
Yep.
next cell only.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, got it.
Every time your variable, if you are going to same variable again and again, that variable overrided every line of statement.
But it's not gonna change the previous one. So next time it can the new data will come, but the previous
New
LST
will
will
not
be
come.
remain same. Yeah,
No,
previous
no.
LST will. Yeah,
Remain. No, no. Look at this. LST equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, right?
yeah.
Now, this is in case you will see the output of LST.
One,
This
two,
is
three
the
will come.
address of this variable. But what I'm doing here, LST equal to, let's say, 1, comma 2. And when you will see the ID of LST, the address will change because your values also change.
Hmm.
It means in that address, you will get only the value of list 1 and 2.
Yeah. But in column 34, the LST remain the same ID.
The same ID, but it is gone. It is gone because you have overridden the data. You can't roll back this data once again.
Can you print in 34 list again, LST?
How you can ensure, let's say, which LST data will be print here?
Hmm.
Tell me.
So I want to see who governments. Now
You
you have
can't.
changed. Now you have
You
changed from 123 to 12 now. So now if I print, it will come 1 and 2. The data will
yes,
come 1 and 2
correct,
because you override. But
correct.
if I run the same LST print on 34, I will get the 123, right?
Yes, in case you will run this line once again.
On the on 30 column number 34.
Correct.
So it's
So
not
for an
getting
example,
override. It's not getting override.
no, just hang on.
Yeah.
For an example, let's say you and me are staying at home, right?
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
join TCS, I have joined Infosys.
Hmm.
Your address is, let's say, D11 in sector 11 in Goa.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
You are also giving the same address to the Infosys HR, and I am also giving the same address to the TCS HR
Hmm.
because we are accessing the same property.
Hmm.
After some time you got married, you are saying, Abhishek, I want to take some separate home.
Hmm.
What you will do, we are let's say two friends, but your address and my address will be different. In that
Correct.
scenario also, if you are saying, let's say, a equal to 10,
Hmm.
right? Or if you are going to store b equal to 10, what is this? A is means Abhishek and b is equal to Amit. But when you check the
Yes.
address of A, the both variable will hold the same address because they are holding the same information. These two variables are holding the same information. Similarly, Amit and Abhishek was holding the same address. That's why the same address they conveyed to the TCS HR and Infosys HR. But
Yeah.
right, but after some time you are saying, Abhishek, I want to I want to take a new home because, let's say, I have married. Then in
Hmm.
that situation, what will happen? Your address completely change.
Correct.
Still you are Amit, but you are accessing the new different. Okay. I
Yeah.
was saying the override because I'm accessing the same variable name. That's why I said override.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys, back to normal. Let me delete this mechanism. Okay. Okay, guys. So, guys, this is the nested list data structure. Again, guys, let's say this is LST1 equal to LIST, and here I am writing here upgrade. Okay. So, what you can do? What will be the answer? Guys, understand. In case any string, if you are going to store within the list function, automatically each character will be separated by the comma. Okay, it means in the list data structure, I have 6 character, which is UPGRAD. Make sense? So, guys, this is the way by which we can create the list data structures. Okay, now let's move to the list functions. So, guys, the very first function is append function. Who's raising your hand? Monica, you want to talk with me? Yeah.
Sir, so upgrade is a string, right? So when you put it in a list, every letter has different indexes.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
In the 40, so guys, in the 44 simple, I am going to print this TRINTLLST1. No. If you want to join, then this is the string, na? You can't join. You can't join with the help of this one. No. Just hang on. Focus on my words. What I am saying. If you have a string and that string you are going to pass the list function. Okay, so this is the mechanism. List will pick each character from your string and it will be separated by the comma. No, not is number. Not is number. Just hang on. Okay, let me proceed so that you will have some. Rohit, you don't have created the list. That's why you are getting this list is not defined. Guys, just hang on. Okay. In case, let's say list, if you are writing here 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5, again you will have a separated this one. But if you will put like this list 1 comma 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So yes, Abhishek, you are right. You can't convert this number into the string or into the list. Okay, I'm telling you why. List function accept only iterables. What do you mean by iterables? Where you can apply the loop. Okay, let me run this line and you will see and you will realize list 1 2 3. This is the integer which is not a iterable. Okay, correct. In that situation my number was a string. Yes, is different. Ashura is completely different. List data structure is saying, Abhishek, I can hold only the one data point. But Ashura, what you are doing, you are going to define the two variable, a, comma, and a and b in the list function. Make sense? Okay. So 24 is a number. No, doesn't, you are saying doesn't matter now. If you have 24, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. List is numbers are not iterable. Guys, that's why I'm saying, let me proceed so you can understand. For I in, let's say, do you think you can apply the loop? No, you can't. Integer object is not iterable. The same error we are getting here. But can I do in double quotes? Now we can apply the loop. Okay, you can apply the loop only those stuff. That stuff support is iterable mechanism. Okay, if you are not understanding the iterable, then please hold yourself for some time. You will be understand gradually. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let me proceed. We are discussing the append function. Just this is the list where I'm going to create 1, 2, 3. This is my guys list data structure where I have stored these three values. I want to use the append function. What does append function? Append function is saying, hey Abhishek, add an element. I will be add an element or add an item at the end of your list. This is the behavior of the append function, guys. Okay, let's say maybe you are a beginner or after some time you forget what does append function and how we can use the append function. So I am telling you the couple of way by which you can see the syntax. lst dot append question mark. lst is the list name, append is the function name of the list. You can hit the shift and enter. Append object to the end of the list. Only the object you have to provide. This is nothing. Only the object, guys, you have to provide. Make sense? Similarly, what you can do, help lst dot append. Look at this. Append object to the end of the list. Another way, lst dot append in the parenthesis, you can press shift and tab. Shift and tab. Look at this. Okay. So we can see the signature or we can see the doc string. Doc string. What do you mean by doc string? Doc string will tell you what does your function? What does the function? Is it clear? You can see the, you know, the docker string or parenthesis from any of the function in case you want. Okay. So guys, please come back. This is your LST. I want to add your name. LST.append. Let's say upgrade. Now LST. Here, by the end of the list. Make sense? Now, new LST equal to double one, double two, and double three. Okay. Just Amit. I am saying, I can give you only the 5 rupees. You are saying give me the 10 rupees. But I am saying I have only give you 5 rupees, right? Similarly, the append method is saying, hey Amit, I will be add the data only at the end. That's it. But if you want, add in the middle or will somewhere else, just as I said, hold yourself for some time. Okay. Gradually, let's say you will get all the answer by default. Okay. So guys, this is your new list. A new list is saying, let's say Abhishek, that is fine. You have added the upgrade, okay, at the end of the string. But Abhishek, what if I want to add this entire list at the end of the list? So what you will do again, guys, lst.append, what you can do, new LST. Look at this. So that entire list I have added at the end of the list. Is it clear? Guys, any confusion to understand the append function? Guys, focus now. When I was saying, remember this one? I was saying, when you are going to pass into, when you are passing the string into the list function itself, then your each item will be separated, not using the append function. Okay. In case you want to, separate element you want to, add, then you have to use other mechanism. Yes, you can add anything within the list data structure. You can store anything within the list data structures. Make sense? Okay, I'm coming, Geet, don't worry. Now guys, the another function name is extend function. At the initial stage, I have created the list 1, 2, 3, only this one. Okay. Now, what you are doing, lst dot extend and here upgrade. Okay. So guys, try to understand. I am writing something. Please focus on it. Extend function will take as an input as a iterable form. Iterable. This particular function will accept input as a iterable. Iterable means where you can apply the loop. It means in the extend function, you cannot pass the numbers, guys. You cannot pass the numbers. Lots of developer, literally, doesn't matter you have experience or not. Sometime interviewer saying, Abhishek, this is the list data structures I have created. LST, I want to extend this list by 11. Abhishek, can you tell me what will be the answer? So some people are saying 11 will be added. Some people saying 1, 1 will be added. Let me run this. Can you see that? Integer object is not iterable. Extend function is saying, Abhishek, I will be accept only the iterable, but you are passing the number, which is incompletely invalid. Which is completely invalid, guys. Okay, so make a comment here. Now this is your existing list. I am going to pass the upgrade. So guys, what will happen? Look at this. From your iterables, each character will be added as a separate element in the list data structure. Similarly, after that, you remember guys, I have created a new list. I have created this new list. This new list, I want to add in my lst dot extend and new lst. Tell me, the list is iterable or not? How you can guys identify the stuff is iterable or not? If you think you can apply the loop on any of the stuff, it means that is iterable. In an Excel column, you can apply the loop, right? In a string, you can apply the loop. In all the data structure, you can apply the loop. Am I right or not? It means that is iterable. On numbers, you cannot apply the loop. It means numbers are not iterable. So guys, from your iterable, it will pick each element and add it at the end of the list. So it means 11, 22, and 33 will add it as a separate element, unlike append function. This is the single element, right? But in the extend function, 3 element will be added separately. Look at this, guys. Look at my list. Make sense? No, no, no. I mentioned narrow here. You will get an error. In case you want to extend this list, then you can use lst.extend. You can convert your number into the string. Then you can do that. Otherwise, entire only numbers itself you can't. Okay. Again, Josie, if you want to add the 11, then why you will be use the extend? lst.append 11 is done now. Am I right or not? Tell me, guys. Okay. So someone was asking a question. Monica, can you go back to append? Yes. Yes. This is your append. Yeah, tell me. So guys, I'm not focusing on your raise hand. In case you want to talk with me, you can mention into the chat window, then you can raise your hand, right? Okay. Correct. Yes. Append will add a single value only. No, no. Then you have to give me the answer, right? The difference between append and extend. You know, I have explained in details, right? Then tell me that difference. Simple. Append is saying, Abhishek, I will be accept only one element and I will be added into the your list at the end of the list. Simple. Okay. And extend function is saying, Abhishek, I will be accept only the iterables. From that iterable, I will be added as a separate element at the end of the list. That's it. Correct. Uh, just hang on. LST123 LST. Okay. LST equal to 1, 2, 3. LST plus 11. Now this is your LST. What do you mean by this? If I'm going here, this one, you can consider this is just like a, extend functionalities. Make sense? Ashish. In extend, if I trying to add one in list, then No, you can't add. Monica, I'm saying na numbers extend function will not accept. Then doesn't matter. Some people are saying 1, some people are saying 11, some people are saying triple one. No, no, no. 1 is also number, 11 is also number, triple one is also number. I mentioned, right? So many times. Again, I am telling you, extend function will not accept the numbers. That function will only accept the iterables. Make sense? Okay. Yes. Yes. Iterable means, let's say where, okay, I am writing. Iterable list, set, tuple, dictionary. Okay. Pandas data frame. You will be learn, after 1 month. Or you can say that strings. Okay. Etc. These are iterables. Not iterable, numbers. And some other object as well. Okay. We'll discuss. Okay. But again, if you are going to convert number as a string, so that is a string, not a number. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, yeah, we can append using this string, right? Repeated value in extent doesn't matter. If you want to repeat it, if you want to cancel, no, you can't cancel. If you have added, you have added. If you want to, remove those elements, then you have to follow other mechanisms. You can't undo. Okay, Rohit? Now, yes, we can have. I have the stored, right? In the very, very list. Look at this. 1 and 1. In the very first time I have, list with numbers, duplicated value. Okay. So we can store the duplicated value. I mention any kind of information. Okay. If the list will not, will not take the duplicate, then I will be mentioned in the rules and guidelines. Okay. So guys, now list index function. This is your LST. Okay. Let me create another list. Copy. Okay, guys. This is your, do you know guys, index mechanism? In Python, index will be start from 0 to n minus 1. Now, okay. Now, how we can find out the index of u? What is the index of u manually? Can you tell me, guys? What is the index of u? Everyone is satisfied? Okay. Look at this. LST dot index. What index you are going to find out? U. Look at this. LST dot index of 11. What is the index? LST dot index of B. Yeah. This thing is clear, guys? Okay. See, whatever you have question, right? I will be cover up by default, right? I know, let's say, what kind of permutation and combination of the question will come. Okay. So that's why I'm saying just hold yourself, okay, and watch carefully. I will be cover each and everything. Don't worry. I will not, miss anything. Okay, guys. This is my list data structure where lot of element is duplicated. Now go to here. List index function by default give you an index based on first occurrence. Okay, you will get only first occurrence. This function will give you only the first occurrence. For an example, LST of index of 2 1. But guys, what if some people are saying, maybe let's say one of 2% are saying, let's say we have completed the index, or maybe you have learned the index from the upgrade platform, or maybe somewhere else. Can you tell me how we can find out the second occurrence? This is the interview question. Very first index, everybody can find out. What if I want to find second occurrence, third occurrence, fourth occurrence? How can I do? Any logic? No, not looping concept. Do you think if this question will be do with the help of loop, then I will be asked this question? No. See, Python will give you those flavor also, guys. Without looping concept, you can solve n number of problems, and you will realize how is doing. Okay, so we called magic method. No. The question is, I want to find out the occurrence. I want to find out the index of each two each two element in this list. What is the index of this two? What is the index of this two? What is the index of this two and this two? Okay. Find function Abhishek. Do you think we have find function in the list? Hana? So guys, I mentioned this kind of line. Why? Because this method only applicable for the list. Find method is applicable for the list data structure, strings. Okay, you cannot call it until and unless you have to convert it. Okay, guys. Not using the count function. No. I'm telling you. Just hang on. So guys, no, just forget each and everything. Then focus on my words and focus on the screen. So guys, let's say manually I am saying, hi Chitra, can you find out the index of 2? So you will say 0 and 1. Abhishek, this is the very first index. After some time, I am saying, Chitra, can you find out another occurrence? So do you think you will be start from here, or you will be start from in this selection? You will be start from here now, because you will say, Abhishek, I have already counted. You will say, okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Abhishek, we are getting the second occurrence on the 6th index. Very good. Maybe let's say after 5 minutes, I am saying, okay, please, can you find out another occurrence? So you will be start again 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So you will say, Abhishek, 15th of the index. Am I right? Okay. So you will do the same mechanism. See, lst.index. I am going to find out the index of 2. It is asking, Abhishek, can you tell me from where you are going to start? So guys, tell me on which position I have to start. Correct. So just why from 0? Because if I am going to find out this, index of 2 from 0, so it will say, Abhishek, you got this. We have found this 2. Then again, it will return to, That's why I'm saying, I gave the Chitra example. So I'm saying, Chitra, can you find out this index? It is saying, Abhishek, this is one. Can you find another occurrence? So Chitra will start from here. But we have already done it. The index of 2 is 1. Now tell me from where I need to start, guys. Correct. After 2. Why you are saying 0? I am not understanding your logic or your power of understanding. Okay. So guys, look at this. What is the index? Index is 6. If index is 6 means this one. Now tell me, if I want to find out this 2, then how can I do that? 7, है ना? Okay, guys. Guys, hold yourself now. Okay? Do not think, no need to think anything. Okay? Please cool. This line can be written. I can remove this 2. This line is giving me what? 1 now. Can I copy this? I can paste here. And can I use +1? Tell me, can I use +1? Is do not in a mathematics, let's say if we are going to calculate a plus b plus c, but if we know the value of b, then directly we can put the value of b, right? So similarly, because I know 1 plus 1 become 2, so look at this. This is 6. Now you guys are saying, I'm not saying, you guys are saying, Abhishek, in case you want to find out the index of next 2, then from where I need to start, guys? 7. So 7 means 6 plus 1 is also fine for me. 6 plus 1 is 7 now. Look at this. I'm getting the answer. In place of 6, can I mention this one? Because this line is also giving me a 6. Copy and paste. Look at this. Similarly, I can copy this line. lst.index, you have to find out 2 from where? 15 plus 1. Am I right? Guys, is it clear now? forget the long method. Okay, forget the long method. If you are familiar with the syntax, if you are saying long method, but you are, or if you understand, right, if you understand the behavior of the function, then doesn't matter it is a long. Okay, doesn't matter it is a long, right? But yes, I am satisfied it is a long method. Okay, if you want to find out the occurrence at a once, then again you have to use the looping mechanism. But yes, as I said, lot of other method also by which you can find out the index without looping concept also in one go. Okay, cannot a list of indexes be generated which 2 appears in the list? Not directly. Look at this now. See, no need to understand this line. Just I am telling you. So maybe let's say you will be np dot, just hang on, np dot array, and this is your list. Very good. Okay, my mistake. Look at this. I'm getting the answer now. See, I'm not doing the looping concept, only in 3 to 4 words. Look at this. 1, 6, 15, and 17. I'm getting 1, 6, 15, and 17. But no need to understand this one. If the interviewer is asking, hey, using the index function, can you find out 4th index? You cannot say this is the long method, because he wants or she want to understand your thought, your power of understanding in terms of list data structures. Make sense, guys? Okay, simple. List function, index function is saying lst.index, please supply the starting from where I need to start. I'm saying from 15. Now you are getting 70. LST dot index, please start from 7th. Then you are getting 15, right? LST dot index, please find out the 2 from the second occurrence. So this is the answer is 6. Okay. This 7 I can do the dynamically. Okay. Only this thing you have to remember. Nickel, LST of the 2. This is returning this index. In place of this 1, we can supply, let's say 2. 1 plus 1 become 2. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 15 plus 1 become 16. So if I'm going to pass here the 16 also, that is also fine for me. Look at this. I'm getting the same answer. For the cell number 97. I am telling you now. No. This is the just mechanism I am telling you. You can supply any number. Okay. No need to focus on the output. Understand the line is saying you are going to find out the 2, but you are going to start from 15. Maybe I can start from plus 1. I can start from any of the number. That's what I am telling you. Okay. Now this one. Clear now, guys? Sayam, first of all, understand the, positive indexing. Then we'll go to the negative indexing, right? If you will do the positive, then you will do the negative. Negative indexing saying, Abhishek, I will be start from -1. Positive index is saying, I will be start from 0. Only this is the difference. And do not confuse while you are going to solve some question based on the negative index. -1 and -5. People are saying -5 is a big. People are understanding when they are giving the interview. -5 is big. No, -1 is big. If you are keep in mind -1 in the negative indexing, 0 in a positive indexing, or when you are hurry, then remember -5 is not a big, -1 is a big. Then entire game automatically will finish. Correct. Look at this. LST.index. Can you see this? Supply your value. By default, starting position is 0 and the stop position is 0. I can't read this number. Remember this docstring. Docstring is saying return first index of a value. Raise value error if the value is not present. What do you mean by this? This is your LST and you are going to find out the index of Modi. So this particular name is not the part of your list data structure. Then you will get error, key error, which is Modi is not in list. Okay, value error, not key error. Modi is not in list. Make sense? Guys, just please focus. Right, we have 4 data structures in your agenda. We have 4 data structure, but still, let's say 1 hour has gone. We have only understood 2 and 3 function. Okay, so just please focus and try to understand the concept. Okay, now another function is list insert function. Someone was saying, hey Abhishek, I want to append my name at the specific point. How can I do that? In that situation, insert function will help you a lot. Insert function is saying, what is saying? Based on your index, I will be add an item before your index. It means whatever the index you will be provide, before that index, I will be add an element. Hai? Look at this. LST dot insert 5 Abhishek. Can you guys tell me where the Abhishek will be added? Where the Abhishek will be added, guys? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 55 and before 77. है ना? Look at this. Easy. What if you want to print a value with, say, index 5 from the list? Index 5 from the list. Look at this. Yes, iterable can also insert it. Look at this. lst dot insert, sorry, insert, oh my god, at the second occurrence, and I want to 100. This is not iterable. Iterable I have inserted. Similarly, but remember, if you are thinking iterable has to be inserted like as a separate element, no. No, Monica. Again, this is what new LST, and this is your LST here. I want to add this list before 88. What I will do? LST. I want to insert. On which index, guys? 88. How we can find out the index of 88? LST dot index of 88. What I want to insert? New list. Guys, are you able to understand this line? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Look at this. LST. So guys, so this thing you have to remember. In the form of your original data, insert function, insert that data at a specified index before a specified index. Is it clear? Okay. 2 up. Okay. Very good. Is very important. Okay. Maybe you can confuse, but if you will listen to me carefully, or if you will not think anything about the question, then you can easily understand these three methods literally in one go. But if I am writing or if I am going to explaining and you are thinking about the new question, then you will not understand these three. Okay. So do not think. Still the question is coming in your mind. Do not think. Once these three topic is done, then you can ask n number of question. Okay. So this is the some rules. Please remember. Okay. Okay, guys. The pop method is saying pop method. Or let's say using this method, right? We can delete an item from the list. Okay. Okay, are you understanding this line? Whatever I have written is easy. Based on the item index, you can delete the item. Okay, and if you are not passing any kind of index, last element will be deleted. Or if your list is empty, in that situation, pop method will return, will raise an error. Okay, this is the first way. Only this is the method, guys, which returns the deleted item. Okay, that's why I'm writing here, unlike remove and del. Now come to the, just hang on. Now guys, come to the remove. Okay. Is it clear? Clear, guys? Let me write. I will give you example. I don't love, right? Okay, and I'm not interested in the theoretical part. But yes, if you are going for an interview, okay, then you have to explain some theory, then examples. Del is not the part of list data structure. It is the keyword by which you can delete the entire list itself. And based on the items index, you can delete the specific element. And guys, this method also does not return anything like remove method. As that is simple. Now, example. lst.pop. What is the index of Abhishek? 5. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Abhishek. As I said, this method returns the deleted item. Make sense? Look at this. Now Abhishek has gone. lst.pop. What will be the answer, guys? 33. It means 33 has gone. Make sense? lst5. lst5.pop. What will be the answer? Error. So whatever I have written, I have proved. Yeah? Is it clear? Monica, which thing I have to repeat? Tell me from the pop method. No. Tell me which thing I have to repeat. I have to repeat these 3 methods, or I have to repeat only pop, or I have to repeat the syntax. Only pop. Can you read this? I am giving you 30 seconds. Please read about the pop. Okay. Now, that's why I'm saying, please say, repeat some examples. Okay. I was saying this method delete an item based on the index. So what is the index of Abhishek? I have calculated with the help of index function. And whatever the index you are passing, that element is also, returned. Index was 5 of Abhishek, but as I said, pop method return the deleted item. Pop method is the return the deleted item, not multiple argument. Not multiple argument you can delete with this function. Make sense? Clear, Monica? In case your list is empty, then it will raise an error. Clear? Oh my god, can you read this? Can you read this? If you are not passing any index, then pop method delete the last element from the list. Now can you relate this example? Yep, very good. So guys, again, if you are practicing or if you are facing some issues, please read the rules and guidelines. Whatever I am writing here, please read this. By default, you will got the answer. Okay. If you are facing some difficulties or some confusion, doesn't matter you have read let's say 5 to 6 times, but in case you are getting error, try to relate this. Okay. Let's back to the remove function. What I have said based on the item name, lst dot remove a, and remove method does not return anything. lst, है ना? You are passing any item name which is not the part of that list, then you will get an exception. Am I right? Only these things I have written. Using this method, you can delete an item based on the item's name, and this method does not return anything. If the item is not the part of the list, then you will raise an error. You will have a error, guys. Again, this is your LSP. DEL, new list. Entire list you can delete, guys. Now you will get the error. LSD is not defined because you have deleted. Okay, let's see. You want to delete this 55, what you will do? DEL, LSD. In the long bracket, you have to supply the index. What is the index of 55? Can I do this? Yeah. Clear, guys? Hanji, is it clear for everyone? Guys, tell me. Very good. Okay, now let me ask the question. Okay. Okay, let's say Amit and Sweta and me are working in IBM. Okay. Sweta is saying, Abhishek, I got an offer from another organization. I want to leave IBM. I am a developer. Okay. And today is the last day of Sweta. So, guys, I am a developer. So, guys, please tell me which method I have to use to remove the information of Sweta. Okay, just hand on. Okay, let's say I have removed any of the method, guys. Try to understand. I'm not saying which method I have to use. Just hang on. I have removed any of the method. Okay, let's say after 7 days, Sweta came back to the IBM for an interview. Okay, or maybe let's say I am taking the interview. I can easily identify to the Sweta, but technically, how my system will identify the Sweta information? If you will remove does not return anything, then how you can keep the information? If you will use del does not return anything, then how you will keep the information of Sweta? Okay, guys, look at this. LST. This is the Abhishek. This is the Amit. This is the Sweta. This is Lucas. This is Bree. This is Sivani. What I'm doing here, this is my deleted database, guys. This I'm giving you an example, okay? This is the deleted database. What I will do, deleted database dot append lst dot pop method lst dot index of Sweta. Am I right or not? Then once the Sweta will come, what I will do? Sweta is exist in my deleted database. I can see all the information. I can display all the information from my database and I can inform to the HR or maybe this Sweta. Yes, Sweta, welcome for the interview, but you are not eligible. You will be eligible based on the company norms after 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. Okay. So guys, I was giving this example because you understand in which situation we have to use pop, remove and del. Is it clear now? Guys, is it clear for everyone? Tell me yes and no. Okay, guys. Great. Now, guys, let's move to the another function, which is okay. Do one thing. Go for break, right? Or let me tell you. Okay, go for break. Just hang on, guys. Yeah. Let me check once again. We have seen append. We have seen sorry, extend, index, insert, pop, remove. Remaining is reverse, sort, clear, copy, and count. Okay. Then we'll move to the tuple and other data structures. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So we are going for a break. After the break, we will resume the session. Okay. So please recharge yourself. So can I get the session in the Word file? Yes, I can give you the Word file, PDF file, whatever you want, I can give you. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, go for break. Once the time will be over of the break, please come back. I am telling you. I am telling you. Okay, so I am going to mute myself. Hi guys. Yeah, everyone is back. Okay, guys. Okay. So, guys, list clear method means you want to set your list as a blank list. So let's say this is the LST. What you want, LST dot clear. Then you will have, guys, your blank list. Okay. All the element has been erased. Make sense? It's easy. Now, list count method. Okay, this is the list, guys. You want to count the occurrence of any number. Okay? You can count the occurrence of any number, guys. So lst.count. Why? Sorry, my mistake. Let me create lst. Okay, 2 times is coming. lst.count this 2 is coming 3 times. lst.count 1 3 times. Make sense, guys? So with the help of count, you can count that element in your existing list. Make sense? Yes. Yeah, I think Amit, maybe some issue with your. Yeah, you can state your query in the chat window if possible. Yeah, you can try once again. You raise your hand. Maybe let's say there is some issues. Just hang on. Let me refresh, okay, or let me rejoin. Now, can you raise your hand once again? Some issue with upgrade platform. Amit. Hey guys, so you can share your doubt into the chat window. Okay, so I'm not able to give the access. What is the difference between 2 and okay, this one? So the 2 is a string and this 2 is a number, right? Not a silly, but for your information, 2 is a number. Look at this. This 2 is a string which is represented 3 times, and numbers 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You can see 2 is an integer, 2 is a number, and double quote and 2 is a string. The string is represented by the curly single quote and double quotes, Amit. This is also a string, right? What is this? What is the type of this? String. Now, what is the type of this? String. Why the 11 is counting 0 time? Tell me. I was using the different list. That's why it is saying juicy. Yep. Okay. Now, guys, you have LST where you have 11, double 2, and double 3. Got it? Now, new list 1. What I'm doing here, LST. Whatever the LST you have, guys, that LST I'm going to pass into the new LST one. Make sense? Now look at this. This is your LST and this is your new LST. Got it? Can you tell me if I am going to new list 1 dot append Abhishek? Are you understanding these 3-4 lines from 48, 49, 50, and 51? Can you think what will be the answer? Both lists will change, only new list 1 will change. Tell me, guys. In case of assignment, both lists will be changed. Look at this. Okay. LST and new LST 1. Correct. Got it? Again, L equal to double 1, double 2, double 3. M equal to L dot copy. I'm showing you why it is happening. I will be proof also, okay? Don't worry. Now, guys, what is the address of L? This one. What is the address of M? Different address. If the address is different, it means your home is in different location. My home is a different location, right? It means you can do whatever you want. I can do whatever I want. So M dot append. Nothing will happen. Only M will change. Your home will not change. Make sense? Your home will not change because these are two separate home, L and M. Now, A equal to double 1, double 2, and double 3. And B equal to A. ID of A is also same. ID of B is also same. Right? Then, if you will change A, then B will also change. Then, if you will change B, then A will also change. Clear, guys? Is it clear for everyone? Geet is clear? Very good. If B, no, that is the assignment operator. Yes, A equal to B. Yes, true, because both variables are same. A equal to A, no, both are different. Correct. In this situation, both are dependent on each other. You cannot say both are dependent on each other because they are accessing the same address, right? Means let's say two employees are staying at a single place. It means if I'm purchasing a TV, it means you can also watch the TV, right? Because you are the part of my family member. If I am doing anything in my home, it means that is applicable for everyone. But there are two separate houses, right? Independent houses. It is your choice, whatever we want or whatever you want. Ridwan, this is the comparison. This is the comparison. Your word both are same or not? In terms of the spell, both are same. In terms of the characters, not same. We are comparing. So this is the comparison operators. Okay. Correct. Case sensitive. Python is a case sensitive programming language, guys. No syntax of the copy. Simple list dot copy. Geet. Look at this now. List name dot copy. Huh? Okay, guys. Reverse and sort, guys. LST dot reverse. List has been reversed. Sort. We cannot sort this list because we have numbers and we have alpha. We cannot sort. But we can sort this list, okay? LST dot sort. By default in ascending order. Look at this. Copy and paste. LST dot sort in reverse equal to true. Your list will be sorted in descending order. Clear, guys? See, guys, index slicing part I have already discussed, right? But if you want, then I'm telling you once again. But yes, for your information, slicing part I have already discussed. I think in first and guys, I have discussed or not in history? Yes, I have discussed. Yep. Okay, but okay, I am telling you once again. Okay, don't worry, Amin. So guys, there are two types of slicing: positive slicing and negative slicing. This is your list element, right? If I want to access very first element, what I will do? 0. If I want to access the last element, what I will do? -1. If I want to access the alternative element, what I will do? Alternative element. If I want every third element, what I will do? This one. What do you mean by this line? Start this column. After that, end this column. After that, step size is 2. You know everything. If I want to reverse entire string, -1. Make sense? Okay, guys. Guys, any confusion? Any more query? Yeah. Yes, guys. So your list data structure has been completed. Okay, we have covered all the function, whatever we have in the list data structure. Yes, we are talking about the list. Can you please share this document? No, I will not share. Monica, I said na, at the end of the session, I will share each and everything. Okay? Okay, guys, let's move to the different part. Guys, I will not give the assignment. Yes, how to sort the string again? L equal to A, B, P, E, Z, M, K, I, O and D. Simple. L dot sort. First of all, lower will come first. Oh my god, just hang on. Sorry. First of all, upper will come first, then lower will come. No, C is asking how to sort the string, right? So we can sort the string. Okay. Then you are talking about this, but taking the ASCII value. Yes. Yes. Who will tell me sort and sorted? So guys, sorted method is the part of Python. Sort method is the part of listed data structure. Sorted. Abhishek, look at this. Huh? Correct. Sorted function always return the data type in terms of string. Doesn't matter whatever you are passing. Sort method will change your original list as well. And sorted function always return the data type in terms of list data structure. I am passing a string, but it is returning me list data structure. Correct, Amit. Correct. Sorted function does not change your original list. This is your L, sorted L. Okay, but you look at this. Your list has been changed. Just hang on. Let me do one thing. Sorted. You are getting the output in the sorted form, but your original list will not change. But using the sort function, your original list will change. Okay, guys. Okay. And still, if you are getting some question, first of all, ask those questions by yourself and try to do that. Still, if you are not able to do that, then we'll discuss in upcoming session. Tuple data structure. We can finish this data structure in 10 minutes. This data structure similar to the list data structure. Tuple is created by tuple function or represented by parenthesis. Each item is separated by comma like list data structure. I'm writing DS. DS means data structure. The difference between tuple and list. Tuple is immutable data type, unlike list. Okay. Once the tuple is created, you cannot change its element like list. Tuple is also an indexable data structure. What do you mean by this? Can I copy this line? Count and index. Count and index. Okay, so guys, it's done. Done miss. Tuple can be created by this one. If you will check type of T, tuple. tuple. What is this? This is also a guy's tuple. Okay, when you are going to store multiple information without any parenthesis, long bracket, or any kind of bracket management, then that data type will be a tuple data structure. This is also a tuple. 1, comma. This is also a tuple, guys. Okay. This is what? Tuple. T dot index of 55. T dot count of 82. Okay. Similar. You can access the tuple T of 0, T of -1, alternative element, or reverse your list. Correct. What you're saying on the line number of 6. Yes. Can you check the type of T? Please read this. Okay, just hang on. No need to simple T. Then print the type of T. Got it, Shoaib? Got it, Amit? Yes, you are right. If you are going to declaring any element in the form of comma, that kind of stuff will treat it as tuple data structures. Guys, is it clear? Yes, you can ask the question. Yes, Amit. Yeah, go ahead, please. What class int and int difference? Doesn't matter. See, type of T, you will not get the class. If you are doing the type of T, it means what kind of class you are using. That class word you will get with the help of print. Everything is the object, guys. Everything is the object in Python. So this is the class and this is the object of the class, which is tuple. Okay. So everything is the object. An object will store in a class. Okay. If you are using the print, then you will get the class. Okay. You are an object, but your class will be your company, your organization. Yes. Do you think? No. Look at this. A equal to H. Type of A, no class, but can you print the type of A? Class a string. A equal to 10. Can you print type? Using the print statement, you will get the class word, not using the type function. Yes. Make sense? Aditya, can you explain line number 16? It is saying there is no starting position, there is no end position. If you are not defining any start position or any ending position, by default, it will take from the very first string and from very first of the index to the end of the index. But you are saying, Abhishek, I want to traverse. Look at this. I want to traverse entire tuple, whatever the element I have in my tuple. Okay, just hang on. I want to traverse on entire tuple. This is what? This is also an entire tuple. If you are writing single quote, this is the entire tuple. If you are writing double quote, this is also a, you know, entire tuple. But now you are saying, Abhishek, I want to read the entire tuple, but I will be start from at the end. Okay, please start from at the end. What is your at the end number? 1, 2, 3, 45, and so on. Look at this. Correct. In just reverse. In reverse. In reverse. Okay. Make sense? Similarly, you are saying, okay, Abhishek, I want to traverse from the positive size. Every second element I want to read. Look at this. 0, because this is your starting position. And then 2, 72, then 2, 33, then 2. You have to jump, right? In case, let's say, if you are doing -2, then 0, -2, -2, -2, -2. Yeah, Alka, sorry to say, I think there is some issues in upgrade platform. I'm not able to mute or unmute. Yes, in case you have any query or anything which is coming in your mind, you can write your thought into the chat window. Okay. Okay, guys. Last one step. Yes, last one is the step. Look at this. P. If I'm doing here 2 colon 8 colon 1. What do you mean by this? Starting position, guys. Starting position is, sorry. Starting position is 2. Ending position is 8, which will be exclusive. Step size is 1. This is simple. Clear? Clear, guys? चलो जी. So it still, let's say you have only understood the list data structure, because tuple is very similar to the list data structures. Okay. Now we'll move to the Python set data structure. Guys, okay, do you know anything about the set data structure? Anyone? Any thought or anything you have learned from the upgrade recording session? No duplicate. Mm-hmm. 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 Not in sorted order every time. Okay. But yes, if you are getting only the numbers, then numbers will be sorted. If you are getting the string, then string will be sorted. But if you are getting the data in terms of the combination of numbers and indexing, okay, so that's why I'm saying not sorted. So set is an unordered collection of items. Yep. Very good, guys. Very good. Appreciated. A set is an unordered collection of items. What do you mean by unordered? Cannot be indexed. Correct. Okay, a set is represented by curly braces and it can be created by set function, right? Each item in the set should be unique. Means every element is unique, right? It means no duplicate element is allowed. Got it? Got it, guys? Set data structure is for the fast set. Yeah, you can say that. Every data structure. Okay, because if you will use the membership operator, set data structure is mutable data structure. It means element can be delete or can be add. Set can be used to perform mathematical operations like union, intersection. What is this pair of symmetric? Symmetric difference. Difference and yeah, got it. Is disjoint, etc. Yes, difference also. Correct. That's why I have written that, etc. I have mentioned this difference. Okay. Yep. No. Still, let's say in tomorrow, maybe after 1 hour, I have to start the looping concept, right? Will not start the loop. Doesn't, because set data structure is a very big data structure, just like a list. Similarly, dictionary is also a big data structure. No case of. Okay. Okay. Let's leave it. Again, can I copy this? Set. Guys, these are the methods. Add, clear, copy, difference, update, discard, intersection update, is disjoint, is subset, is superset, pop, remove, symmetric difference, update, union, and update. Oh my God. I have to explain a lot of things, right? Okay. So guys, set A. If you are not going to define any kind of data within the set, within this curly braces, so that will be dictionary data structure. Nature of the data. Set A. Got it, guys? Make sense? Go up. Hang on. Tell me. So guys, this is the data structures. Okay. Now, so guys, how we can add a element in the set data structures. I want to add my name. Okay. So set a dot add but doesn't matter, Abhijit, don't focus on it in case you are getting the sorted data. How you can assume 33 is big or Abhishek is big? Tell me. Abhishek has to become first or number has to become first? Correct. Yes, Keshav. Okay, how you can check the ASCII value of Abhishek? Who will tell me? Can you check the ASCII value of Abhishek? No. Do you think you can check? Okay, let me try. Finally. Okay, so no need to focus on ASCII value. Okay, guys, look at this. Okay, now, right, Abhijit, your data is not sorted, right? Okay, so it is an unordered collection of items. Guys, this is your data. Set update method. Okay, set update method. What does set update method, guys? There are common to find all the function that we can use the data structure? No. If you are able to find out the common, but the behavior of the function will be same, except count and index. Make sense? Interviewer can ask, what does list pop? What does dictionary pop? So don't mix up the solution. Sometimes people are saying they are telling about the list pop, but they are explaining about the dictionary pop. No. Set a dot update. I want to update, guys, this one. Multiple element you want to add. Okay, then you can follow this kind of scenario. Got it, guys? In case you want to add the single value, then you can use the add method. No need to focus on order. Similarly, set a dot update, you can pass the information like this. Okay? It is your choice, guys. Make sense? It is your choice. Can you pass single argument? No. No. Have you understood? Only iterable, right? Case of now, if you want to update in a bracket, no. Then you have to use append now. Sorry, you have to use the add method. Discard. How we can delete an element, guys? What you will do? There are two methods. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, clear? Let's take an example. Set A, discard. Abhish, let's only Abhi. Abhi is not the part of your data, right? This method will not raise any error. Set A and remove, or you are reusing Abhi, then you will have an error. Make sense? You will have a error, guys. Otherwise, both function will remove the data. Set A. Clear? Clear, guys? Very good. Very good. Can you repeat the difference? Can you read the line again, please? Yep. Very good. Only one element. Only one element. only one element. Okay, only one element you can remove. Okay, guys. Now, can you read this? Remove and return arbitrary set of element. It means a random number will be deleted. Set method does set set data structure does not follow the index mechanism. Okay, so okay guys, so automatically set a dot pop. Okay, 33 has gone. Set a dot pop, 10 has gone. Any random element can be deleted. Make sense? Make sense, guys? Is it clear for everyone? Yes, remove will delete an element, only single element. Discard method is also discard an element, only single element at a time. If these function will be deleted the multiple elements, so I will be right in the rules and regulation of that particular function. What is the use of set? Set is only 5% has been completed. 95% of the set is remaining. Okay, you will get the answer automatically. What is the use of pop if select randomly? Some program is going on in your office. I want to choose some lucky draw. I can use this pop method. Yeah, just I am giving a basic example, right? Okay. The main set is starting now. Mathematical operations. Guys, look at this. I hope everyone is aware about the Microsoft Excel. Okay. If Excel I have data in Excel in the column A and I have some data in column B. How we can find out which data is not available in column B? Similarly, which data is not available in column A? What should I do? It means any other answer, guys? Intersection. How I will do in Excel? Tell me. You are saying yes. Tell me, how can I do that? My question is, correct, we look up. My question is, I want to find out which value is the part of the column B or which value is not the part of column B. है ना? Using VLOOKUP ना? Look at this. Excel column. Okay. Numbers in column E. Ran between 100 to 300. Okay, this is the number I have. Sorry. These are the numbers I have. What can I do? Let's say if I want to check, for an example, 180 is available here and 180 available is here as well. Similarly, 174 here as well, right? 174. How we can check which value is the part of the column E? Similarly, which value is not the part column E? And vice versa. How many values is not the part of column A and how many values are part of the column A? How we can find out this kind of mechanism or this kind of insight from data? Using the VLOOKUP, na? Yeah, using the XLOOKUP also, but using the VLOOKUP is easy. है ना? But Python, just like a magic. Using the Python, I can find out this kind of insight in 2 words. Literally in 2 words. Okay, so we'll see. Now you will see the importance and use of the, you can see that. Set. So guys, let me share your screen. Set A. A, B, I, K, O, Z, M, and Q. Set B. B, M, C, D, E, R, S. Okay, set A and set B. Guys, how we can find out the common element in the both the set? Okay, so guys, what I will do? Yes, so let me start first. Union. Okay. Yes, using the intersection, we can do that. So guys, first of all, we will be discuss the union. Okay, union, just like you have to combine the 2 tables, sorry, or 2 Excel, or sorry, you have to combine the 2 column and remove the duplicate, right? But using the Python, set A union set B, set A union, sorry, set B, set B union set A, set B union set A, vice versa. So you can use any of the method. Okay, you will get the same answer. Okay guys, you will not have duplicate, and this is the result is combined. Okay, but again, if you are not remember, or if you are not using the set method, then what you will do to get the same answer in Python, if you are not using the set, you have to apply the loop on this, loop on this, combine the data, or maybe let's say you will check this number is available in this number is available in this. Okay, so lots of things you have to do that, right? Or maybe you have to create another data structure where you will check, you will be added each element. If that element is not added, then you will add. If that element is the part of your data structure, then again you will be ignore that element. So you have to write in lots of exercises, but here just like a magic, only in 2 words. Find out common record. Set A intersection set B, set A intersection set B, set B intersection set A. Makes sense, guys? So this is the intersection. Let me print again both the set. In set A, sorry, set A. Okay, and then let me print the B. How we can find out the difference? It means what kind of value. That's why at the initial stage I was asking the question on Excel, right, based on these columns. Now, which of the value or which of the alphabet, which alphabet is not the part of set B? So you can say that, hey Abhishek, I, okay, O, right, K, and Z and Q. These characters are not the part of set B. So guys, set A difference set B. What we are discussing here, set difference union and intersection. Got it? Look at this. Similarly, set B, how many of character are not the part of set A? Only 5 characters, sir. This is C, J, P, R, S. Clear? Clear, guys? Last method of the day. Last method of the day is symmetric difference. Very interesting. Can you find out from these two columns except common in both? For an example, Abhishek. You can say that Abhishek is not the part of this set except common, which is not common in the both. Abhishek is not in the common, right? So what you will do? Set A, symmetric difference. Set B, except common. Except common. Look at this. M is the common, so M is not available. Z is not the part. S is not the part. Okay, for an example, M is the part of the both the set. A is the part of both the set. Right? So these value will be ignored. Make sense? This method can be written like this. Set A, correct. Set B, difference. Set A, intersection. Set B. Okay. So guys, this is the rules and guidelines of your set data structure. Sorry. We are getting the wrong answer. Just hang on. You can separate, okay? Now we are getting the same answer. Make sense? Got it, guys? My throat is also dry. You are also, little bit tired. So we are not processing, or we are not proceeding the session. In tomorrow, we'll discuss remaining of set. Yeah. Dictionary data structures, looping with I'm not giving you any kind of home task. I'll recommend whatever I have done here, done the same thing with different values. Okay? Done the same thing with different values. Similarly, done the same thing with different values for this also. But guys, if you are working on data structures, it is also very important to understand the behavior or understand the functionalities of a function. Okay, but it is also very, very important to analyze the output of that particular function. Sometimes people are aware about the definition, but they are not aware about the output. So please analyze the output, and that output please try to relate with your concept. Need to remove alphabet from a word. Which code is needed to be used? From alphabet, you want to remove something? Simple, you can use replace. We can use replace. Okay, guys, you can use slicing concept. Tomorrow is 7:30. Can you? Okay, just hang on. Just let me check my schedule, guys. Tomorrow we have 7:30 to 10:30, and we have 11 to 2 also. Okay, 11 to 2 also. It is your choice. Make sense? It is your choice. Okay, guys, so just hang on. This is my very first class. I really liked it, the very detail. I think we'll go. Yes, you can, got my. I will do both. You will do both? Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, so you were asking the question. Just give me 1 minute. Just hang on. A string equal to Python. To which character you want to remove? Yes, no need to attend any other session. Okay, guys, we'll discuss Y and O. Okay, a string dot replace. We have P1. Okay, guys, so I'm sharing, guys, this file with you. Okay, I hope this is easy, right? There are some other method also we can use it. Okay, guys, so I'll recommend, I'll suggest, and I will request from every one of you, please do this practice of this session as much as you can. This session will literally will help you a lot in terms of the data structure and its functionalities. In tomorrow's session, and we'll discuss the data structures in greater details. Okay, but do the practice, guys. Okay, I'm sharing these three files, including the PDF also. Okay, and please, meanwhile, please share your thought into the poll section. Guys, just hang on. Okay, so I think this the poll section is maybe, again, we are facing some issues. Okay, in the poll section, because maybe you are going to upload your thought, but it will not reflected in the platform. Okay, because I am getting live attempt 0. Yes, I know you have filled the poll, but this section will be not visible. So I'll recommend, let me click on stop publishing, because I have to raise this concern to the upgrade support staff. Okay, so it would be great for me, guys, and for if you will be give your feedback in the chat section, because we are facing some issue in the poll section. And meanwhile, let's say you can share, guys, and I'm try to this one, 7th July, copy. Guys, I am sharing, this is data structures and Python basics. Leave it. Copy. Drive. Upgrade bootcamp. New folder. The new folder is, let's say, August. 8th of August. See, 45. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, my mistake. August. Six. Right? Now let me share. So guys, can you check, are you able to access all the files? No, this is not for you. This is the session which I completed in the morning, right? That is also the 6th of August part, right? Okay, that's why I mentioned. So you can ignore this. Is it done? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So you know, right, what you have to do. Okay. Only the practice, analyze the output, and change the data and do the practice. Yes, only practice. Okay, guys, take care of yourself. We'll meet tomorrow in morning slot or in 11 a.m. slot. Okay. Okay, guys, take care of yourself. Do practice.